All right, we're about to step into the Modera Howell, so I like that it's key fob controlled. And we'll walk into the Modera Howell and let's start our tour. So this is an entirely self-guided tour, and I literally have never been here before in my life. So that's the leasing office. The community manager was really nice and just said, help yourself. I'm just gonna give you kind of the run of everything. So this is the club area. So let's go into the club area, see what it's like. This is the first floor still. We just walked off the street. And let's see the club area. Club area is really pretty. I like the chairs and the contrast and the decorating. I just happen to be a big fan of these velvet backed kind of areas like this. So that's just cool. I'm loving that. So anyway, there's that. Looks like there's some free coffee available. We're gonna be taking advantage of that very shortly. That's awesome, and a great lot of seats there. Looks like 5 bar stool type seats. There's a conference room, so you can enjoy that for work if needed. This is all Wi-Fi, so there's some more. You could sit here during the day for your work, and there's plugs over there. And then here's this conference room, which is available for you. And of course, we've got a great just seating area to enjoy here as well. Nice TV over there. So great little feature here, I like it. And now we're about to go out to the pool and see what's going on.